How to compress a JPG file without affecting the quality of the image. Now here you must go over to this website here. I will leave it in the description, and as you can see, it will ask you to upload files. Now click on this upload files button and then go ahead and find your file which you want to compress. Here is the file that I downloaded. As you can see, if I click open, this file is a little too big. As you can see, it's like 3 megabytes. So let's see how much can it even be compressed without losing any quality. It might take a while depending on how fast your Wi-Fi is, so just give it a wait and then you're good to go. And now after it's done uploading, it will start to compress the file. And as you can see, it only did minus 1% of the compression because it will lose quality drastically if it did anything more because it's a picture of a nature. But you can do this with your images and it will definitely compress them more. But just because it's nature here, as you can see, it was 3.3 megabytes. Now it's 3.2. So it did compress it, but not as good. Just remember, if you're doing anything, just make sure it's not nature or anything complicated because the compression will lose quality if you want it to be actually good.